How to redeem 200 Robux from Microsoft Rewards. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll guide you on how to redeem 200 Robux from Microsoft Rewards. So I'll show you a step-by-step process of redeeming your Microsoft Rewards points for the Robux gift card that can be used on the Robux website. Now to start, go to the rewards.bing.com. Enter rewards.bing.com in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will come across this type of page over here. In this page, switch to the redeem option over here. Then you can search for Robux in the search bar or simply click on the Robux digital card if it's feasible. Now from here, select an option of 100 or 200, 400, 800 or 1000 Robux. Let's select the 200 Robux for 3000 points. Instantly, there will be the appearance of the option of redemption if it's available, and after redemption, you will receive a digital code through email. To redeem the Robux gift card, simply visit the Robux official website, click on the Robux icon in the top right corner of the screen, and from here click on Redeem Robux Codes. After that, simply enter the code in this designated area and click on Redeem. So this is how you can redeem 200 Robux from Microsoft Rewards. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.